Let's get macho! Tonight we're drawing hawlucha. This Pokemon looks like one of these macho wrestlers. Like in Mexico. Take your time and trace along with me. When I found out about this Pokemon, it looked exciting to draw him, even though this Pokemon doesn't exactly evolve. It would be exciting though. It would be interesting and awesome. And of course, I caught this Pokemon on my birthday when I was going to the city. I never realized that hawlucha would be one of Ash's Pokemon. This guy and Froakie, they became great allies. There we go. My bad. Now we draw the feathers. Alexa, what does lucha?
Here is what I found. According to Wikipedia, Lucia of Syracuse, also called Saint Lucia or Saint Lucy, was a Christian martyr who died during the Diocletianic persecution. She is venerated as a saint in the Catholic, Anglican, Lutheran, and Eastern Orthodox churches.
Alexa,
she is one of 8.
What is macho?
As an adjective, macho is usually defined as having or characterized by qualities considered manly, especially when manifested in an assertive, self-conscious, or dominating way. As a noun, macho is usually defined as assertive or aggressive manliness, machismo. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for macho.
Thanks for the information. Bye.